This also happened to be where I actually just killed off my Osmo Pocket. Oh, I dropped it accidentally. So after taking the beautiful shot here, I think I placed it here or here somewhere. And then because it's rather windy, it just fell there. And it's not working anymore. It can't go and adjust, calibrate. So there goes. RIP Osmo Pocket in this holy place. So there goes my second Osmo Pocket. So I actually want to share with you guys what happened after the death of Osmo Pocket. Because you guys know I love Osmo Pocket, so I wanted to revive it as much as possible. So since I was in mainland China, which is the birthplace of DJI, I thought it's probably going to be relatively easy either to find somewhere where they can fix it or just, you know, like DJI to help me, you know, find a solution. So I actually just ended up going to DJI store in Chengdu, which is the capital of Sichuan. So this is Tianfu Guangzhang, the plaza. And this is basically where DJI shop is downstairs. And that's Chairman Mao statue. Actually, the guy was really helpful in trying to find a solution. So first, because, you know, China is a really big country, apparently there is some sort of like outsourced third-party repair center in different cities. So he sent it to the third-party repair center in Chengdu. And then they were like, oh, the damage is pretty serious, they can't fix it. So they just sent it to Shenzhen. That's the headquarters of DJI. They took a few days to look at my device and then they were like, okay, this is the bill. So this is what I got. So which came up to RMB 1096. Back. And last time I told you guys that I actually paid 800 Hong Kong dollar on, you know, this video. And it actually turned out more expensive this time. Which is kind of interesting because this time I only dropped it once and it just went dead. Whereas my first ever device, I actually dropped it many times. Some of them pretty hard fall until the very last fall that actually damaged my gimbal and then I had to pay 800. So let me go through line by line item. First is the screen damage and second was the yaw arm axle component. Third is the roll axle component. And the last is the lens front case. So yes, it's a lot more expensive than my first one. And one of the explanations they gave me was because the second Osmo Pocket that I received was like the first generation or something, I don't know. So that's why it came up to be quite expensive. So I asked them if they can send the device back. I don't know what I was gonna do with the dead device, but I still wanted it back. And they said, okay, but then the time wasn't enough for me to actually get it in time before I left the mainland. And I asked if they can send to Hong Kong, but they said they cannot, which was a little bit strange. So then I asked, what's the recovery cost of Osmo Pocket? Like, can you guys sort of buy back some of the parts? Maybe it's for like exceptional basis, but they said they can. They said they'll give 500 RMB back to my Alipay mobile wallet. But I think the lesson learned from this experience is that first, I should use it carefully, and second, I should have got Osmo Shield for it, because that would have been a lot more economical that way. So the reason why I didn't actually get Osmo Shield for my Osmo Pocket is because I used to have DJI Mobile 2, which was very sturdy. And then I actually regretted buying the Osmo Shield for that because I didn't need it. You know, it didn't break at all and I ended up just selling it off. So I thought, okay, Osmo Pocket, which is also like the land camera as opposed to drone camera, I thought it's probably fine with that. And then it turned out that Osmo Pocket is probably like the most fragile device out of all the cameras that I have actually, yeah. Because on the very same day that I killed off Osmo Pocket, I actually also dropped off GoPro 7 from like a horse because the horse suddenly started trotting. And then it just like dropped from my pocket that was quite loose, and it dropped from the 1.5 meter height. And it was totally fine. The third lesson is maybe they should actually make the device a little bit stronger. I mean, I'm not gonna say I have like the most careful hands. I do have quite rough hands. Still, all my other devices are still safe, and so are my drones and etc. So, yeah. But of course, that should not stop you guys from actively using Osmo Pocket. And I actually have a spare wide angle lens. So, I want to share this one with you guys, so please comment down below #Freewell Osmo Pocket Wide Angle Lens. I mean, I do have full review about this lens in other videos. I'll have the link down below, so please do check it out. I really look forward to reading all your comments down below about why you guys wanna have wide angle lens from Freewell, and I'll see you!